Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Leo English channel. I'm Leo Darren, and today we are going to talk about two important things: how to tell the time in English, how to talk about your daily routine using time. Let's begin step by step. Are you ready? Let's go. Section 1. Learning to tell the time. Let's start with some easy ways to say the time. Repeat after me. It's 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Now let's learn minutes. 6:15. It's 6:15. 7:30. It's 7:30. 8:45. It's 8:45. 9:10. It's 9:10. Now some special forms. 6:30. It's 6:30. 7:15. It's 7:15. 8:45. It's 8:45. 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Practice with me. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6:30. Section 2. Daily routines with time. Now let's learn how to use time with your daily activities. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth at 6:10. I take a shower at 6:20. I eat breakfast at 7. I go to school at 7:30. I come home at 1. I eat lunch at 1:30. I do my homework at 3 o'clock. I play with my friends at 5 o'clock. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. I go to bed at 9:30. Tip: when you talk about time, always say at plus time. For example, I eat breakfast at 7. She goes to school at 8:30. Section 3. Ask and answer practice. Let's practice some questions. Leo, what time do you wake up? You, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Leo, what time do you go to school? You, I go to school at 7:30. Leo, what time do you eat lunch? You, I eat lunch at 1:30. Leo, what time do you go to bed? You, I go to bed at 9:30. Great job! Now let's try full conversation. Section 4. Short dialogue. Leo and Sarah. Leo. Hi, Sarah. Sarah. Hi, Leo. Leo. What time do you wake up? Sarah. I wake up at 6:30. Leo. Do you eat breakfast early? Sarah. Yes, I eat breakfast at 7. Leo. What time do you go to school? Sarah. I go to school at 7:30. Leo. Nice. And what time do you go to bed? Sarah. I go to bed at 9. Leo. Great. Thanks, Sarah. Section 5. Speaking paragraph practice. Let's build a short paragraph. Repeat after me. My name is blank. I wake up at blank. I eat breakfast at blank. I go to school at blank. I come home at blank. I eat dinner at blank. I go to bed at blank. Example. My name is Ahmad. I wake up at 6:30. I eat breakfast at 7. I go to school at 7:30. I come home at 1. I eat dinner at 7. I go to bed at 9:30. Now pause and say your own paragraph.